Imprisonment and slavery have been two lifelong obsessions of my own activism and research. And so this evening, in honor of Dr. Eric Williams, I want to try to urge you to think about the historical system of slavery and the prison, the institution of the prison together. And specifically, I want us to think about the extent to which the vast global apparatus of imprisonment, and particularly corporate involvement in the business of punishment, that these developments are related to what I would call the sedimented history of slavery we are living out today. In other words, slavery has not yet been completely abolished. And I think it is important for us to learn how to talk about this institution as it affects our lives today. The prison is precisely one of those institutions in whose structures racism has learned how to hide. And I say this because we often tend to think about racism as attitudinal. We think about it as explicit. We don't necessarily also think about it as being embedded in social and economic and political structures. And so, how do you imagine art doing the kind of work that will encourage critical thinking? Because see, that's, like I said, that's what I think it's all about. Learning how to question that which we most take for granted. Learning how to question those things that we normally don't question. And if we learn how to do that, then I think there's some hope. There's some hope for the future.